Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP DeskJet 4155 printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to search for HP DeskJet 4155 drivers. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page that says HP DeskJet Plus 4155 all-in-one printer software. Open that up, and then on this page you want to scroll down and you want to expand the installation software and full/basic driver support. Should be an HP Easy Start Printer Setup Software link in here. Select the download button for that, and then once it's on your system, you want to go ahead and open up that file to run it. And if you receive a user account control prompt once it's done extracting, you may have to select yes just to proceed with the installation. Should be assigned publisher, HP Inc. As you can see right here, go ahead and select yes. And then just proceed with the installation like you would normal applications. And that should pretty much be it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.